In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Booksy scheduling account using the Booksy Biz web platform. Whether you're transitioning to a new scheduling tool or simply decluttering your digital life, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, you'll need to log into your Booksy Biz web account. Open your web browser and go to the Booksy Biz web login page. Enter your login credentials, typically your email and password, and access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option to reset it right on the login page. Just make sure you have access to your registered email to complete the reset process smoothly. Once you're logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the main page. You'll notice a variety of options there, but focus on finding the help or support section. Booksy places these links at the bottom of their pages to assist users who may need additional guidance or issues resolved. Go ahead and click on the help or support link. This step is crucial as it directs you to the necessary resources to initiate the account deletion process. Once the help or support section opens, look for the option that says contact support. This could be in the form of a chat or an email. Both options are effective, so you may choose the one that suits you best. If you prefer a quick real-time conversation, the chat option might be more advantageous. However, if you prefer to have a record of your request, emailing may be your preferred method. After selecting your preferred contact method, it's time to send your deletion request to the support team. Clearly state your request by typing a message such as, "Please permanently delete my Booksy scheduling account registered under your email." Remember to insert your actual email in the brackets. This precise wording helps ensure that your request is clear and that the support team can process it efficiently. Once your message has been sent, the Booksy support team will proceed with your request. They might contact you for verification purposes, so be sure to keep an eye on your email for any follow-up messages from them. Typically, they will confirm once your request has been completed. You'll receive a confirmation that your account has been closed or deleted, marking the end of the process. That's all there is to it. It's a straightforward process, but it requires your attention to detail and careful follow-through to ensure everything is completed correctly. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and control your online presence on platforms like Booksy Biz Web. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips.